Oh, the whispering woods and the brave little fox. Deep in the heart of the whispering woods, where moonlight danced on silver leaves, lived a young fox named Lumo. His fur shimmered like autumn fire, and his eyes sparkled with endless curiosity. Every night, the forest sang, the wind hummed through the branches, and the fireflies blinked in rhythm like stars fallen from a sky. But one night, something was wrong. The forest had gone silent, no rustle, no song, even the moonlight seemed dim. Lumo's ears twitched. "The forest is afraid," he whispered. "But why?" From the shadows, an old owl named Orenda swooped down and landed beside him. "The heart tree has lost its glow," said Orenda gravely. "Without it, our magic fades." "The heart tree?" Lumo asked. "Where is it?" "Far beyond the silver stream, guarded by mist and moonlight. Only the bravest can reach it." Lumo's heart thumped. He was small, but his courage was large. "Then I will go," he said. And so, under the sleeping stars, he set off, the journey. He crossed the silver stream, where the water whispered secrets. He climbed the crystal hill, where pebbles glowed softly beneath his paws. Along the way, he met a shy deer named Myra, who had lost her way, and a chattering squirrel named Pip, who knew every hidden trail. Together, they ventured deeper, facing the forest's quiet fears, the creeping fog, the eerie echoes, and the trickster lights that tried to lead them astray. When doubt clouded their hearts, Lumo lifted his tail high. "The forest believes in us," he said. "And we must believe too." Oh, the heart tree, at last. They reached a clearing. There stood the heart tree, its bark pale and its light gone out. Lumo padded closer and placed his paw against the trunk. It felt cold, lifeless. What if it's too late? Myra whispered. "No," said Lumo. "Magic never dies. It only needs to remember." He closed his eyes, thinking of every laugh, every rustle, every shimmer of life in the forest, the home he loved. And as he did, his heart began to glow softly, like a flame in the dark. The light spread from his chest to the tree, a pulse, then another, and then, whoosh, the heart tree burst into radiant light, golden and alive. The forest awoke once more, singing in joy. Oh, the return when dawn broke. The forest shimmered with color. Orenda flew above them, smiling. "The magic has returned," she said, "because of one small fox with a brave heart." Lumo looked around, eyes twinkling. "Maybe being small," he said, "isn't so small after all." That night, the forest whispered his name in the wind. Lumo, the fox who brought back the light. And under the silver moon, he curled up with his friends, listening to the forest sing once more, a moral. Even the smallest hearts can bring back the brightest light. Courage doesn't roar. Sometimes, it simply whispers, "I'll try."